The Carsolt 10-piece heavy-duty stainless steel garden tool set is a comprehensive collection designed to tackle a wide range of gardening tasks. This set includes essential tools such as a trowel, transplant tool, weeder, curved and straight pruners, hand fork, weeding knife, hand rake, garden gloves, and a gardening tote bag. With this variety, you can efficiently handle digging, planting, weeding, loosening, and pruning tasks in your garden, lawn, or yard. Each tool is crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The blades are polished to a glossy finish, maintaining sharpness and toughness over time. One standout feature of these tools is their ergonomic rubber handles. They are contoured to provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand and wrist fatigue, and making gardening less strenuous. The rubber's anti-slip properties add to the comfort, and the hanging holes allow for easy storage. The large-capacity garden tote bag included is made from sturdy 600D polyester with a PVC-coated interior for easy cleaning. It has 8 external side pockets with wide elastic loops to keep your tools organized and accessible. This set comes in a stylish gift box, making it an excellent choice for anyone who loves gardening. Whether for birthdays, anniversaries, or holidays, it's a thoughtful gift for garden enthusiasts. Overall, the Carsolt 10-piece set stands out for its quality, durability, and thoughtful design, making gardening tasks more enjoyable and efficient.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.